Hello everyone and welcome. In my quest for A to Z brass padlocks, I found these on Amazon. This will cover the letter X. Let's take a look. It's a 40 millimeter pair of 40 millimeters brass, tall shackle, hardened steel. According to this anti-rust level, it's 4 out of 6. And according to whatever security level system ranking they use, this is a 8 out of 10. And I've got a case of Sarcina Obscura here. That is to say, I cannot glean the keyways because they're blocked by the packaging. But judging by the keys here, they're all cut the same. So 2 keys for each lock, but each key is the same. And I'm hoping this to be an opal. Let's open these up. I'll take one out. I'll set the other ones aside. Oh, wait, I get the key. Bear with me. Keys are really in there. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, shit. That is a nasty keyway. Nice shackle pop. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like we're dealing with 5 pins. Oh man, I think I'm beyond my element here, but I'm bothered to get this far. Let's see if I can pick this thing. Honestly, I have no idea how I'm going to approach this. I've never heard of this brand before, XTUFF. I only bought the damn thing so I could complete the alphabet. Let's see, how am I going to approach this? Bottom of the keyway, there's certainly plenty of room in there for it. Maybe I'll use the short end. Oh, what pick am I going to use? My, what can we get in there? Well, I'll try a standard pick. Let's go with the covert instruments. Yeah, this could be a long video. I'm already 3.5 minutes in. I'm going to start at the back. Got it. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Got it. Beautiful. I got me an XTUFF, which is actually not so tough. And there you have it. Picked these beauties up today. XTUFF Brass Padlock. Got it stamped right in there. Took me maybe a couple minutes, but that was actually a fun pick. I'm glad I got these. And I'll tell you what, since I've got two of them, I'm going to give one away on my next giveaway, which is probably coming up soon. I'm approaching 200 subscribers, so I should plan for a giveaway soon. And to that end, this will be included in the package of that giveaway, whoever wins whenever he or she wins. So that's going to be a sneak peek into the package that I'll be sending out to whoever wins on my 200 subscriber giveaway. Thanks for sticking with me through this video, and it was a bit of a longer pick than usual, but there you have it, XTUFF. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you later.